Hi, dear student. In the last lecture, we discussed some concept of S block for detained theoretically. We discussed in the last lecture ionic mobility of lithium is less than sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. Highest mobility of cesium due to aqueous radius of lithium is high, where aqueous radius of cesium is less due to less hydration enthalpy. So, last point. Now, we are in new point. Solubility of lithium fluoride in water is less due to high lattice energy. Lithium with fluorine both are small, attraction are great between them, so lattice enthalpy high, so solubility is less. In the case of lithium iodide, solubility less due to of the cesium iodide, solubility also less due to less hydration enthalpy. Here both are huge in size. It has a less attraction toward water. So solubility of lithium fluoride is less due to high lattice enthalpy, where less solubility of cesium iodide is due to very low hydration enthalpy. Now, in new point 8.4. New point, the solubility of most of alkali metal halides. Alkali metals halides except those of fluorides. Otherwise fluorides. Yes. Sometimes fluorides is written like this. Degrees down the group. Degrees down the group. Why? Due to fact that decrease in hydration enthalpy is more than the corresponding decrease in its lattice enthalpy. From top to bottom, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Lattice enthalpy decreases and hydration enthalpy also decreases, but hydration enthalpy decreases more than lattice. Both decreases, but hydration enthalpy more decreases due to increasing in size. Attraction toward water more decreases. So solubility decreases from lithium chloride to cesium chloride. Understood? So NaCl is more soluble in water than KCl. I am giving a reason for that. Here difference in lattice enthalpy for these two. difference in lattice enthalpy of these two is 68 kilojoule per mole, where difference in hydration enthalpy is 75 kilojoule per mole. So you can see which difference is more hydration enthalpy. So in NaCl and KCl, from NaCl to KCl, lattice enthalpy decreases. Okay, hydration enthalpy also decreases, but decreasing in hydration enthalpy is more of KCl. So NaCl is more soluble than KCl. Now top to bottom solubility decreases, but now in the case of lithium fluoride, from lithium fluoride to sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium fluoride, solubility increases. Why? Lithium fluoride is less soluble. What happens? Because the decrease in lattice enthalpy is more than compensates the decrease in hydration enthalpy. Your lattice enthalpy decreases and hydration enthalpy also decreases, but decreasing in lattice enthalpy is more than hydration enthalpy. So solubility decreases, increases, from lithium fluoride to solubility increases. Here you can see lattice enthalpy and hydration enthalpy both decreases, but in lattice enthalpy is more than decreasing in lattice enthalpy is more than hydration enthalpy. So hydration enthalpy decreases, lattice enthalpy more decreases. So solubility increases. So you have to remember this not value but only sequence. Now we are in Fajans rule. Ionic and covalent character, ionic and covalent character, ionic and covalent character in alkali halides. So actually in alkali halide there should be ionic bond, but due to polarity it has something covalent nature. So therefore Fajans rule, covalent character in ionic compound, according to Fajans rule, polarizing power means covalent character. Polarizing power means lithium is very small in size, so it is a great attraction toward electrons which participated with the halogen. So polarity is more, but in the case of it is highest. Whenever positive ion small, negative ion big, so maximum electron moves toward the lithium. So there should be covalent character occurs. So that is called the polarizing power. In the bond between alkali metal and halogen, electron moves toward the smaller size of positive ion. So covalent character increases. So according to Fajans rule, polarizing power maximum whenever cation is small. Cation should be smaller. and larger the anion. Anion means negative ion. Here negative ion is big of iodine, so polarizing power more. Smaller the cation, bigger the anion. And charge of cation and anions. Yes, it is also directly proportional with charge of cation and anions and pseudo noble configuration. Pseudo noble configuration. It means in the positive ion sometimes not 8 but 18 electrons are present. So which is called after removal of one electron in the positive ion, when your number of electrons are 18, which is called pseudo noble gas configuration when possesses. So here we are going to step one by one. Which one is more covalent? So point wise we are going to discuss covalent character in ionic bond. The covalent character decreases as the size of the cation increases. Covalent character decreases as the size of cation increases. Yes, the polarization occurs less. So lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride and cesium chloride. You can see here negative ion is common, but positive size of positive ion increases. So lithium has greater tendency to polarization than sodium. So here in lithium chloride is more covalent than KCl. Lithium chloride is more covalent than KCl, NaCl, cesium chloride also due to smaller size. Electron maximum attracted toward chlorine. So here bond is actually ionic, but due to smaller size of lithium, it attracts electron from the chlorine and covalent character occurs. So lithium chloride is more covalent than KCl. So in the ionic compound, covalent character possesses. Now second thing, second point is the covalent character decreases in the size of anion decreases. The covalent character decreases is size of anion. Anion means negative ion. Decreases. Why? Lithium iodide to lithium bromide, lithium chloride and lithium fluoride. That is why the dipole moment is greater than dipole moment of lithium iodide. Here lithium ion is common. Yes, iodine is big in size. For the covalent character store in your mind, positive ions should be small, negative ions should be big. So polarization occurs more. Here size decreases of negative ion, so polarization decreases. Here fluorine is small, so it has a great attraction of its own electron. So lithium is not capable to attract from fluorine. But here iodine is big in size, so electron easily attracts toward lithium. It has a less attraction, electronegativity less. So electrons likely move toward lithium. with decreasing. Now, in another word, we can say with increasing in size of negative ion, covalent character increases. Third one is like this. So the covalent character of some of the halide decrease in the order of charge on the cation and anion decreases. Now you can see the covalent character of some of the halides decreases in the order as the charge on the cation decreases and negative ion also. You can see aluminium bromide is maximum covalent than magnesium bromide and sodium bromide. Here charge of aluminium is +3. Bromine possesses -1, so total -3. Here +3 is to -3 charge. Great attraction. Covalent character maximum. In the magnesium chloride, charge is decreases. So covalent character decreases. Here +2 is to -2 charge. In the case of NaBr, charge once again decreases with decreasing in charge of positive and negative ion. Covalent character decreases. Whenever charge is more, then covalent character should be more. The covalent character of the some compound of alkali decrease in the arrange charge of anion decreases also. We discussed, suppose charge of positive ion is same, K3PO4. Here covalent character more due to phosphate having -3 charge. Less in K2SO4, charge decreases. Charge of positive ion is same, but charge of negative ion decreases. So here you can see covalent character decreases. Now fourth one, cuprous bromide. +2 means cupric and Cu +1 means cuprous bromide is more covalent than sodium bromide. Why? Here charge is same, 1:1, 1:1. Why? Charge is same in both cases. Radius of Cu +1 is 0.96. Here is 1.02 angstrom of the Na+. Ionic radius also similar, near about. So why this happens? Bromide is common. So CuBr is more covalent. Reason for that, here copper 29, 4s1 3d10. After removal of one electron, now configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d10. Now outermost orbit is now 3, third orbit. Total electrons are 18 there. So which is pseudo noble gas configuration. In the case of sodium 11, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. After removal of one electron, outermost orbit is now second. So it has 8 electron, which is noble gas-like configuration. Here is pseudo-noble gas-like. So polarization power of Cu plus 1 is more. So CuBr is more covalent than NaBr. Whenever in last orbit 18 electron present, then it should be more covalent. Now we are in melting point. New point, melting point. When solid converts into liquid, that is called the melting point. For the same alkali metal, melting point decreases in the order. For same alkali metals, the melting point decreases in the order. Fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide. Yes, we are taking sodium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide and sodium iodide. Why this happens? Melting point decreases due to alkali metal is same, but size of negative ion increases. So lattice enthalpy decreases. Attraction between sodium fluorine is R. So lattice enthalpy highest. Here lattice enthalpy decreases, melting point decreases. You have to remember only sequence, not value. Here for sodium fluoride, melting point 1261 Kelvin. Here 1084, then 1028, and here only 994 Kelvin, 944 Kelvin. It decreases. Size increases of negative ion, so lattice enthalpy decreases, and due to lattice enthalpy decreases, boiling melting point decreases. Now in this another case, for the same halide ions, the melting point decreases down the group in the order, and down the group decreases. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride and cesium. Here negative ion is common. Increasing in size of alkali metal, melting point decreases. Here is 1085 Kelvin. Here is 1040, same reason. With increasing in size of positive ion, lattice enthalpy decreases, and due to decreasing in lattice enthalpy, melting point decreases. Now 1000 Kelvin, and here is only 928 Kelvin. Now listen, one important note. The melting point of lithium halides are lower than other alkali metals halide. So lithium chloride only 887, you can see, which is lowest than all of 4. Why? Reason for that, lithium chloride is covalent by nature. Reason for that, lithium chloride is covalent. Why? Lithium is small in size, so polarization power maximum. Your covalent character more than all of this. Polarization maximum in lithium chloride. Due to that, now next point, this was the melting point, salts of oxoacids. Salts of oxoacid. Alkali metals hydroxide are strong bases. Alkali metals hydroxides are strong bases, and hence they form salt with all oxoacids. Oxoacids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, carbonic acid, and phosphoric acid. All the bases, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, are strong bases, and from bottom to top basicity increases. They are generally soluble. Suppose NaOH reacting with H2SO4, so it gives salt of oxoacid Na2SO4 and removal of 2 mole water. This type of salts are soluble into water and thermally stable. Thermally stable. We are giving heat, so it is stable. Now carbonates and bicarbonate. Carbonate and bicarbonate of alkali metals. Carbonate means CO3 2 minus. Bicarbonate means HCO3 minus. All of them are soluble in water. Carbonate and bicarbonate soluble in water, and solubility increases down the group from top to bottom. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. Potassium, rubidium, and cesium. Top to bottom it increases because of lattice enthalpy decrease more rapidly than hydration enthalpy. Here lattice enthalpy decreases and hydration enthalpy also decreases, but decreasing in lattice enthalpy is more than hydration enthalpy, so solubility increases. The carbonates M2CO3 type carbonates stable up to 1275 Kelvin and above temperature more than 1275 Kelvin to form oxides of alkali metal, where Li2CO3 is less stable, easily decomposes on heating. It gives lithium monoxide and CO2 gas. Now, lithium bicarbonate is aqueous. We can't get solid form of lithium bicarbonate. We can only derive in the aqueous state. Rest of them, sodium, potassium, we can derive in the powder form as a solid. Now another ammonium bicarbonate also we can derive as a solid. Lithium bicarbonate never gives powder. We can derive only in the aqueous form. All the alkali metal bicarbonate on heating decompose to give CO2 and water. All the alkali metals bicarbonate gives on heating 2 mole of bicarbonate on heating gives carbonate M2CO3, removal of CO2 and water. Now anomalous behavior, nano point, I am giving you example. If sodium bicarbonate is taken, so on heating it gives sodium carbonate plus carbon dioxide and water. Now next, anomalous behavior of lithium. Anomalous behavior of lithium. Yes, actually lithium is the first member of the group number 1, but the behavior of lithium is slightly different. So which is called anomalous. Anomalous means something different due to small size of the lithium. Lithium is very small size. Reason for anomalous due to smaller size of the lithium. Then charge density high, very high. Charge upon size. Size is small, so charge density is very high. So polarity is maximum. High ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy is high. And absence of d orbital. In outermost orbit, lithium 1s2, 2s1. In second orbit there is no d orbital present. But in another element d orbitals are present. Strong intermetallic bonding. Strong due to small size. Strong metallic bonding. So it is different. These are the reason. So now one by one, how lithium is different from rest of the elements one by one. Lithium forms nitride with nitrogen. Lithium forms a nitride with nitrogen. where sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium do not. Lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate on decomposition gives lithium monoxide. Others do not. Lithium monoxide and CO2. Yes, where other hydroxides and carbonate is not giving monoxide and water and CO2. Lithium nitrate on decomposition gives lithium monoxide, NO2 gas and O2, where another nitrates on heating gives nitrite, not NO2 and not NO2 and not monoxide. Here product will be changed. This is the different. Lithium chloride is deliquescent. Deliquescent means hydrated salt. Lithium is small in size. It has great attraction toward water. So moisture is having compound. Lithium chloride possesses with 2 H2O, while others do not form hydrates like this. Lithium hydroxide is weaker base. Lithium hydroxide is weaker base, where others sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium are strong bases. From top to bottom, basicity increases. Halides of lithium are covalent. Lithium chloride are halides of lithium are covalent by nature. Lithium is very small in size, so it has great attraction toward the lithium. Polar, covalent by nature, where others are due to smaller size. Polarization highest, in others it is less. Lithium do not react with acetylene, while other forms metal acetylide. Sodium is reacting with acetylene and gives monosodium acetylide, where lithium is not reacting acetylene like sodium, but in the presence of carbon it reacts with acetylene and gives lithium acetylide. Here no need of carbon present. Now next, lithium bicarbonate H1. Lithium bicarbonate does not form solid. We can't get in the powder form, we only get in aqueous, in the water, where another elements of the group number 1 gives a solid powder. Li plus ion has the greatest hydration enthalpy. It is a great attraction toward water. Now, last one. Lithium is harder. We discussed strong metallic bond between them, so it is harder. where another element sodium potassium are soft, harder and have high melting point and boiling point. Lithium forms monoxide. What is monoxide? Whenever charge of oxygen -2, which is called monoxide. Sodium gives a peroxide. Where potassium, rubidium and cesium gives superoxide. Both combinedly charge is -1. બંનેનો થઈને -1, both of -1, individual 1, individual 2. Lithium gives monoxide, sodium gives peroxide, potassium, rubidium, cesium gives a superoxide to the balancing of the charge. Now diagonal relation of lithium with magnesium. Diagonal with the magnesium of lithium. Lithium is the first member of group number 1, where magnesium is the second member of group number 2. So here property is same of lithium and magnesium. This is called diagonal relationship. Diagonal relationship due to smaller size of both. Similarity in charge density. Charge upon size. In lithium +1 upon size. In magnesium +2 upon size. It is near about due to property are same. Both forms nitride. Both forms nitride. Lithium reacting with nitrogen gives lithium nitride. Magnesium reacting with nitrogen gives magnesium nitride. Nitride means charge having -3. Hydroxide of both decompose on heating to monoxide respectively. Hydroxide of both second one, hydroxide of both lithium hydroxide and magnesium on heating gives a monoxide. Here also gives a monoxide and releases water. Similarity. Compounds both lithium chloride and magnesium chloride are delisequent, means hydrated. Both has great attraction toward water, so it gives hydrated salt. Hydrates both. Lithium combines with 2 mol water, magnesium combines with 6 mol water. Both do not form solid bicarbonates. Solid bicarbonates. Li only aqueous. Magnesium bicarbonate only aqueous. We can't get in the powder form both. Both combines with oxygen gives the monoxide. Lithium with oxygen gives lithium monoxide. magnesium with oxygen gives the magnesium oxide. Nitrate of both on decomposition, nitrates of both on decomposition gives NO2 and O2. Lithium nitrate we discussed 2Li2O for NO2 and O2. NO2 and O2 gives. Where magnesium nitrate on decomposition gives magnesium oxide for NO2 and O2. Both gives NO2 and O2. Hydroxide, carbonate and fluoride of both are sparingly soluble in water. Lithium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, lithium fluoride, magnesium fluoride, carbonate, lithium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Sparingly soluble means very less soluble into water. Solubility is very less, which is called sparingly soluble into water. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye. I hope you enjoyed